In this video, I'll show you how to use your IONOS email from logging in to sending your first email. Go to mail.ionos.com using any browser. Enter your full email address, add your password, then click Login. This will take you to your IONOS webmail dashboard. Once inside, you'll see your inbox along with folders like Sent, Drafts, and Spam. The left-hand menu helps you organize emails, and the top menu lets you search, compose, or manage settings. Click New Email or the pencil icon at the top recipient email, your subject, and your message. You can attach files using the paperclip icon. Once you're ready, hit Send, and you're done. Click the gear icon to update your signature, auto-reply, or language preferences. You can also link IONOS to your phone or desktop using IMAP settings. And that's it.